Elasticsearch is an open-source, highly scalable, full-text search and analytics engine. You can crawl through a big volume of data rapidly with help. Generally, it is used in applications where a complex search is required. It is developed in Java and licensed under Apache License version 2.0. Nowadays, many big companies around the world are using it for their growth. Firstly, let us understand why Elasticsearch was invented. Consider one example where customers are looking for some product information from huge product volume. But the system is taking too much time for information retrieval due to the large volume of data. This in turn leads to poor user experience, and there may be chances to lose the potential customer due to the same. RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, works slow when it comes to a large amount of data. To overcome this problem, Elasticsearch is a document-based system that stores, manages, and retrieves document-oriented or semi-structured data. Data is stored in a JSON document format. It is also schema-less. It is a NoSQL database that uses the Lucene search engine. Elasticsearch uses query domain-specific language to interact with data. Here, queries are written in JSON format. With the help of Query DSL, we can accommodate all the complex logic in a single query. Query DSL is designed to handle all real-world complex logic in a single query. Who this course is for: 1. Elasticsearch and Kibana beginners. No prior experience necessary. 2. People who have basic knowledge of Elasticsearch, Kibana and would like to expand on their knowledge. What will I learn? 1. Comfortably work with Elasticsearch and Kibana. 2. Be able to write Elasticsearch queries for searching and sorting. 3. Be as proficient with the concepts and terminology of Elasticsearch. 4. Do CRUD, create, read, update and delete operations on Elasticsearch. 5. Be able to build a powerful search engine with Elasticsearch. 6. Import real data into your index and create a working Elasticsearch.